Welcome to Chef Mariam's website recipe, where we are delighted to share with you one of the most popular French pastries, croissant. This delectable flaky pastry has its origins in Austria and has been enjoyed by people all over the world. Chef Mariam's unique take on the classic croissant recipe is a must-try for pastry lovers everywhere. Croissants are a type of pastry made from a layered dough called pâte feuilletée. The dough is made by folding and rolling butter into the pastry dough multiple times, resulting in a layered, flaky texture that is a hallmark of this pastry. Croissants are perfect for breakfast or as a snack and can be enjoyed on their own or with a variety of toppings like jam, cheese, and ham. Chef Mariam's croissant recipe is a result of years of experimentation and hard work. She has combined traditional techniques with her own personal touch to create a croissant that is truly unique and delicious. Her recipe calls for only the best quality ingredients and careful attention to detail, resulting in a pastry that is light, flaky, and buttery. To make Chef Mariam's croissants, you will need flour, sugar, salt, yeast, butter, and water. The dough is made by mixing the dry ingredients together and adding water to form a smooth dough. This dough is then rolled out and covered with butter, which is folded into the dough multiple times to create layers. Once the dough has been rolled and folded, it is shaped into the classic croissant shape and baked until it is golden brown and crispy. The end result is a pastry that is light, buttery, and flaky, with a rich flavor that is sure to satisfy. Chef Mariam's croissant recipe is perfect for anyone who loves pastries and is looking for a new twist on the classic French pastry. Her unique take on the recipe is sure to impress even the most discerning foodie, and the pastry is perfect for breakfast, brunch, or as a snack anytime during the day. In conclusion, croissant is a pastry that has been loved by people worldwide, and Chef Mariam's take on this classic pastry is a must-try for anyone who loves pastries. Her recipe is simple, yet delicious, and can be customized to suit individual preferences. So why not give it a try and enjoy the rich and buttery taste of Chef Mariam's croissants today? Introduction. 1. Croissants are a type of flaky pastry that originated in Austria and are now popular all over the world, especially in France. 2. Croissants are made by folding butter into layers of pastry dough and then baking it to create a flaky, buttery texture. 3. Croissants can be enjoyed on their own or with a variety of toppings like jam, cheese, and ham. 4. Croissants are often eaten for breakfast or as a snack and are perfect with a cup of coffee or tea. 5. Croissants are a beloved pastry for many people and have become a symbol of French cuisine and culture. Welcome to Chef Mariam's kitchen, where we will be sharing her delicious croissant recipe. This recipe is a true masterpiece and has been perfected over the years to create a pastry that is light, flaky, and buttery. Whether you enjoy them for breakfast, brunch, or as a snack, these croissants are sure to impress. Ingredients: 3 cups all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon active dry yeast, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup cold water, 1 egg, Beaten. Instructions. 1. In a huge blending bowl, join the flour, sugar, yeast, and salt. 1. Blend until all around joined. 2. Add the softened butter to the dry ingredients and mix until the butter is fully incorporated. 3. Add the virus water and blend until a better structure. 4. Turn the batter out onto a daintily floured surface and massage for around 5 minutes, until the mixture is smooth and flexible. 5. Cover the batter with a moist fabric and let it rest for 30 minutes. 6. After 30 minutes, roll the dough out into a rectangular shape about 1/4 inch thick. 7. Cut the dough into triangles, with each triangle being about 5 inches wide at the base. 8. Starting from the base of each triangle, roll the dough up towards the point, tucking the corners in as you go. 9. Cover the croissants with a damp cloth and let them rise for about 30 minutes. 10. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. 11. Brush the croissants with the beaten egg. 12. Bake the croissants in the preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are golden brown. 13. Remove the croissants from the oven and let them cool for a few minutes before serving. Chef Mariam's croissant recipe is perfect for anyone who loves pastries and is looking for a new twist on the classic French pastry. Her unique take on the recipe is sure to impress even the most discerning foodie, and the pastry is perfect for breakfast, brunch, or as a snack anytime during the day. In conclusion, croissants are a beloved pastry for many people, and Chef Mariam's recipe is a must-try for anyone who loves pastries. Her recipe is simple, yet delicious, and can be customized to suit individual preferences. So why not give it a try and enjoy the rich and buttery taste of Chef Mariam's croissants today? Croissant Chef Mariam's special information. Chef Mariam has a special connection with croissants, having perfected her recipe over the years to create a pastry that is truly unique and delicious. Her love for French pastries has led her to explore different techniques and methods, allowing her to create a croissant recipe that is both traditional and modern at the same time. One of the secrets to Chef Mariam's croissant recipe is her use of high-quality ingredients, including unsalted butter, all-purpose flour, and active dry yeast. She believes that using the best ingredients is key to creating a pastry that is light, flaky, and buttery. Another secret to Chef Mariam's croissant recipe is her attention to detail. She understands that making croissants is a time-consuming process that requires patience and precision. From the way she folds the dough to the temperature of the oven, every step of the process is carefully thought out and executed to ensure the perfect croissant. Chef Mariam also believes that the key to making great croissants is practice. She encourages home bakers to not be discouraged if their first batch does not turn out perfectly. With practice and patience, anyone can master the art of croissant making and create pastries that are as delicious as those made in a professional bakery. Finally, Chef Mariam believes that the joy of baking and sharing her creations with others is what makes her job so rewarding. She loves seeing the smiles on people's faces as they bite into her croissants and experience the rich, buttery taste. For her, making croissants is not just about the final product, but about the joy that comes from creating something with your hands and sharing it with others. In summary, Chef Mariam's croissant recipe is a true reflection of her passion for baking and her commitment to using high-quality ingredients and attention to detail. Her love for croissants is evident in every batch she makes, and her unique recipe is sure to impress anyone who tries it.